Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share some happy mail I received for the holidays, and I hope you guys are enjoying watching the 24 Days of Secret Santa swap hosted by Scrappy Tate. I'll leave a link to that playlist here. I'm a participant in it, so I did gift somebody for 24 days, and I'm also receiving gifts for 24 days. But that's wrapping up here in the next day or so. So anyway, this is the happy mail I've received. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate you guys being here. Please consider subscribing and pressing the like button. So this first mail I got, look at how cute this sweater is. This is from Patty over at Life with Patty here on YouTube. Wow, look at how cute. Oh, these snowmen. Okay, so, and it like, let's see if I can get it. It pops up, but I don't want to. There it is. Oh, how cute. Okay, do you see the pop-up? Oh, this is so cute, Patty. Look at these snowmen. And you can always like take this apart and reuse these snowmen in other projects. But it's going to be displayed for this Christmas season first. So she's just wishing us a Merry Christmas and a happy, healthy New Year. Thank you so much, Patty, for thinking of me and my family. And then my next, it's from Kathy over at Castle Creates. She's here on YouTube as well. And Kathy and I were just in a collaboration, was it last month or the month before last, maybe by now. Oh no, but look, oh, polka doodles, I think, polka doodles. How cute. It says Merry Christmas. And look at this cute Santa deer, not Santa, but deer paper with the cardinal. And then she put a doily on the back of this polka doodle cutout. And she's layered the sentiment a few times. So pretty. Oh! And she's just wishing me a safe and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And then she also, thank you. What's the thank you for, girl? But look at how cute the washi is. Aw, that's a great idea to share some samples of washi. And look at this envelope, right? It's an envelope pocket. It fits this perfectly in it. Oh, and look at the honu. So that's from Kathy. Thank you so much, Kathy. And then I got another happy mail from Lorraine, who is a subby of mine. And let's see what she sent. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's see, there's a letter. So, look at the dwarfs. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Says, Aloha Maka, hope you're doing well. I've enclosed a card that should have been mailed in the first package. I'm not a great card maker. Also enclosed is more Disney share. Have a wonderful season. Oh, girl, thank you so much. So much. So she's better than me because when I forget the card, I just tell you I forgot it. I'm not gonna send it to you. Oh, thank you, girl. So it says happy holidays. Did you embellish the card? Because this looks awesome. I like this poinsettia piece and then the ribbon. I just, what is this called? Glue hairs? I don't know. That's what I was picking at though. But look at how beautiful the card is. Oh dear. Maka and family. Thank you so much, Lorraine, for thinking of my family. But look at this. Ooh, ooh. These dwarf cards. Walt Disney's The Seven Dwarfs, featuring Grumpy, Dopey, Doe, Happy, Sneezy, Sleepy, Bashful. Wow, these are beautiful. Look at this. Oh, I might just frame these. I might not use them as cards. They are actual Disney cards. Like, see? They have the Disney logo. Wow. Oh, Snow. Oh, these are so cute. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you for sharing these. Oh, these are beautiful. I appreciate them. Oh, thank you so much, Lorraine. I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you. And thank you, Kathy. And thank you, Patty, for thinking of me and my family this holiday season. I appreciate you all. Mele kalikimaka to you and your ohana. You can find more videos here. And until my next video, shakas.